Hey guys, Craig here again with howtopest.com, and today we have for you InVict Xpress Granule. Let's get into this. Let's talk about how to use it and what it takes care of. So as you can see, it's in a granule form right here, and it comes in a shaker bottle. InVict Xpress is going to take care of roaches, ants, crickets, fire brats, silverfish. The ants that it's not going to take care of are your harvester ants, your pharaoh ants, your fire ants, and your carpenter ants. So if you have those, no bueno. But other than that, this is a great product. Fun fact, worker ants cannot ingest or digest solid foods. So what they do is they take this back and feed it to the larva, which they convert into a liquid food that feeds the colony, and that's how it wipes them out. But it also works that way with the roaches too. They're going to take that back and share it. So when you get this, it comes, like I said, in this bottle. It's already a shaker bottle. As you see, it's got the little notches there for you to go around and shake it out. You're just going to unscrew it. You're going to rip off that tab just like you would any other bottle like this. And then you're going to go around wherever you're trying to exclude these things, roaches, ants, and you're going to sprinkle. The amount is typically 2 to 4 tablespoons per 100 square feet. So if you're just shaking this lightly, you're going to get what you need. It's usually about a 2-foot band that you want to cover. If you have ant mounds, you can put it directly on the ant mounds, but be aware, what makes this so effective is it comes with multiple food attractants in it. So it can attract your pets. So if you pile this stuff up and have pets, it's probably not a good idea. They may or may not investigate and try to eat it. So if you sprinkle it out, the likelihood of them getting into it is going to be very low than if you were just to pile that stuff up. Indoor, outdoor use, you can pretty much place this stuff anywhere. You can put it in attics, food processing plants, nurseries, daycare, schools. If you're going to put it up in the attic, you want to sprinkle this around like the vents that the insects enter, the pipes. Same thing with under sinks if you're doing indoor. Anywhere where you think the insects are going to be making their way into the house or the structure, that's where you want to put this. And once again, it's just light little shaking of it throughout wherever you're going to put this application. Outdoors, pay attention to, not pay attention, but pay attention to light fixtures that's going to attract the insects. If you see actual strands of ants, go ahead and sprinkle that on the line that you're seeing. If you can follow them back to the nest, once again, like I mentioned before, put it on that actual mound. Other than that, guys, wherever you're having an issue, you can put this out. The great thing is, if you're still having an issue with them a week later, reapply a week later. The interval is real narrow on this, so that makes that really great for use around the home. You don't have to wait that 30 days or wait that 60 days. After a week, if you need it again, put it back out. InVict Xpress, fantastic product by Rockwell Labs. Guys, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you like our videos, let us know. And if there's a product, let us know. We'd be happy to do a review on it and explain to you exactly how it works. Thanks again, guys. Craig with howtopest.com.